What's up? You're with your boy Marty here at Off Grid. We are going camping today. So we're getting everything ready at the moment. We're taking a few different campers away today. We've got the X1 coming. We've got an E2 and I think we're taking the Wonderland as well. So yeah, watch this space, but it's gonna be fun. Here at Off Grid, we don't just sell campers, we live and breathe it.
Righto, we're guys are loading up, they're heading out. They're going out for a, what's this, our biannual camping weekend away. Bit of shenanigans, enjoy the products, learn, use it all. This is what we do. So, everyone's pretty keen, it's going to be cold, but we're going to take Icon, a couple of Patriots, and I'm probably going to sneak out tomorrow with a Wonderland. So, it's going to be good, enjoy. Enjoy. Don't have too much fun without us, alright? How did we get roped into hanging around? So Daz, so these guys are heading, let me get this straight. So they're heading out camping. Yeah. You and I are going to hang around. The original, the OG crew, the A-team. We're going to hang around, we're going to open the shop tomorrow on Saturday. We're going to head up things here while they go off camping and have a great old time. Drink beer and relax.
Sit around a fire.
We'll be out there tomorrow night. Alright, so everyone's heading out. They're going to go away. Team's deserved a bit of a break. So Daz and I are going to be here tomorrow morning in the showroom. So as you can see, we've got all the stuff here. Normal hours, 9 till 3. If you want to come in and see us, by all means, come through and say good day. Otherwise, tomorrow night, we'll be out there sitting by a fire with them.
Bless me.
All right, I'll cut across to the other guys and hopefully they keep you posted before they have too many beers. Cheers, guys.
Bacon and eggs this morning, and some smoky cheese, mate. So you can't see because the sun's in my eyes, but yeah, looking forward to it.
Just gonna go watch the Huntsman catch a couple of trouts. Bit of catch and cook for dinner tonight. Stay tuned. Lure's not very good to cast out. They're probably scared of this lure.
If you come here and cast out towards that tree and bring it across the front here, I reckon you'd be right.
This guy is straight in all the tree. Dude, you went through the tree.
I know. Magic.
Tree. Yep.
And now, the lure's stuck in the tree. But what we should really be doing right now is watching Hunter because he's about to go in the water and it's pretty cold.
Oh, if that whole thing stuck. Oh my god.
I'm going to loosen the drag up on this so when it goes down.
Noah!
You ready, Marty?
I'm ready, mate.
Alright, we're going to head into Newnes now. Got most of the team here, a couple of us are still missing, but we'll still have a good time. A few of the more experienced cars are up the front there, but we've got the big unit here behind you, and if you have a look at this, he's ready to go. Look, he's really embracing it and taking in the spirit. Aren't you, Jaden?
Let's go!
Woo!
Woo! We're ready, baby. Let's do it.
Ah, you'll be right, mate.
How's it going, Jaden?
We're doing well. A bit nervous, but we're getting through it. Let's go, keep going.
A little bit late to the party, but
Where have you been?
I've been at work, you know. Someone's got to hold the fort, sell some stuff. We're here now. Oh, yeah.
Playing a bit.
Camping?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're roughing it today.
Roughing it out?
Yeah.
So what have you brought?
Oh,
Yeah,
just
tell
something.
everyone to
Just something.
break the news,
just
hey?
something modest. Yeah, just I couldn't get my swag, so I brought that.
So we brought a 1906 XCR Wonderland.
It's a 19-foot swag, yeah. Yeah, with a diesel heater and an ensuite. We're going to be roughing it. We'll be okay.
You know the dance to this song?
Oh, why's everyone got their pants on?
Yeah, you gotta do
Alright,
What's up?
we're in the kitchen.
What's happening?
Tell us what's going on,
Cooking with
Marty.
Marty today. Tonight. The reason why we're cooking with Marty because no one else in the in the camp wants to do any cooking. Everyone just wants to come over and go, oh, what's cooking? Watch. What's going on, man?
Hey, what's up? What have we got here, Marty?
Exactly what I meant. We've got some lamb cutlets going on, guys. So we've got a little starter today. So we're starting with some lamb cutlets. Pan's not hot enough right now, but some lamb cutlets. And after this, for mains, we've got some mashed potato, some T-bone, some mushroom gravy, some salad on the side, some garlic bread, and then for dessert, we just got more beers.
I heard there was a Fijian special on tonight.
There could be.
Is there a little something?
There could be.
There could be. Stay tuned.
Secret squirrel business, mate. No, we got some potatoes going on in there. I think we're making some mash. Is that correct?
Yeah, mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Got a couple of T-bone steaks over here. Come have a look at these. Look at all these fellas. So we're going to chuck them down there on the hot plate in a minute. And get it all happening.
We got our mushroom gravy coming along, mate. So we've got our T-bone steaks cooking at the moment, on the open fire. And then we have our mushroom gravy finishing up. So another 10 minutes on this and we should be all good for dinner.
Look at that.
Good soup. Yeah, definitely the pepper got overloaded. I think there's a little bit too much pepper. You get that on the big jobs, but you just add a little bit more cream.
A little bit more chili, I reckon, Marty. A little bit more. Just a touch.
Serving it all up. We got some tomahawk steaks here, bit of garlic bread, bit of mash. We're gonna go over here. We got a few more meals over here. Let's go. Come on, come on.